Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change backup account on Google Photos. And let's get started by open Google Photos application. Right now, if I click at the profile icon at the right top, you can see that my current account is John Doe HardReset. And I want to change backup account for my correct account. So you need to click at the profile icon at the right top and then move to Google Photos settings. Click at the backup and right here we have backup account. So I don't want this. Click on it and I want to change it to let's say reset hard. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.